Welcome to Quiz Nation. I'm Jenny. Let's play.
20 English Conversational Quiz. This quiz is designed for first-time English learners and is based on commonly asked questions and common answers in everyday conversational English. It is intended to help beginning English learners learn simple phrases to communicate with native English speakers. The content is created to the best of our knowledge and is not a substitute for professional language instruction. How do you greet someone in the morning? Good evening. Good afternoon. Good morning. Good morning. What is the common response to how are you? I am fine, thank you. No. Goodbye. I am fine, thank you. What do you say when you want someone's attention? Excuse me. Nice to meet you. No. Excuse me. Which phrase do you use to offer help? Can I help you? How are you? See you later. Can I help you? How do you ask someone about their day? What's your name? How old are you? How's your day? How's your day? What is the proper response to nice to meet you? Nice to meet you too. Goodbye. Yes. Nice to meet you too. What do you say when someone gives you a compliment? No. Thank you. Sorry. Thank you. How do you ask someone's age politely? May I ask your age? How old are you? What's your name? May I ask your age? How do you ask someone's name? What is your name? How old are you? What is my name? What is your name? What phrase do you use to apologize? Please. I'm sorry. Thank you. I'm sorry. How do you respond to thank you? Goodbye. You're welcome. Sorry. You're welcome. What do you do first thing in the morning? I eat dinner. I go to bed. I wake up. I wake up. When do you usually have breakfast? After dinner. Before I wake up. In the morning. In the morning. What do you do after getting dressed in the morning? I take a shower. I go to bed. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. How do you get to work or school? I take a bus. I watch TV. I go to bed. I take a bus. What time do you start work or school? At midnight. At 9 a.m. Before I wake up. At 9 a.m. What do you do during your lunch break? I go to bed. I eat lunch. I take a shower. I eat lunch. What activity do you do in the afternoon? I eat breakfast. I work on my computer. I look at the stars. I work on the computer. What do you do after arriving home? I feed the cat. I take a bus. I go to work. I feed the cat. What is your usual evening activity? I watch YouTube. I eat lunch. I plant flowers. I watch YouTube.
Great job! Like, share, and subscribe.